In this video guys, I'll be sharing with you how you can book a one-way ticket using Expedia.com. So to get started, hit the link in the description below. It will take you to Expedia's website. Once you're on this page, select flights. Select the airport which you're leaving from, let's say Kingston, and go into, select your destination. What you want to do is select one way. At the top, select one way, right? And then you search for your ticket. And that's basically it. So here you will select your flight. You can choose between basic economy, main cabin, main plus, or business class. And I'm going to go with basic economy. No thanks, I don't want to search for an hotel. And then on this page, you select checkout. Select go to checkout if you don't want to choose your seat. On this page, you're going to complete your information. And here you're going to enter your card to make the payment, and then scroll down and select complete booking. And that's basically it. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.